Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 9. Sila. Sila is a young girl who, shortly after being born, is snatched away from her family and her roots, taken to Istanbul, where she is adopted by a rich family who tell her that all her family died. Although from an Eastern origin, Sila is brought up in a modern Western style. One day, her perfect life crumbles when she meets her so called dead family and their backward traditions. Her real father suddenly appears and lies that her mother is dying and she goes to Mardin to see her. Her life soon changes when she is supposed to marry Boran Aga, a total stranger, to save the life of her older brother. Now Sila is imprisoned in a world where tradition not law reigns. She searches for ways to free herself and every day makes plans for her escape. Nevertheless, she struggles to run away from the growing and hopeless love she feels towards Buran Aga. Number 8. Khan Chichikleri. Khan Chichikleri tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother. As he seeks to bring peace to a family vying for revenge, Destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents, but his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying the trap in and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 7. Isarat. Orhun is a successful businessman who was raised in a wealthy but loveless family along with his twin sister Nihan, younger sister Nursha, and their cold, distant mother Afife. Some time ago, Nihan left to do volunteer work as a doctor in Eritrea, but recently she has been impossible to contact and her family is worried about her. Orhun decides to go after his twin sister and bring her back home. While looking for his sister, he comes across Hira, a poor girl living the life of a prisoner at the hands of traffickers. When they find out that Nihan has been poisoned and killed by a local gang, Orhun breaks down. When it emerges that it was actually Hira who was set up by the gang and poisoned his sister, Orhun hatches an evil revenge plan. He will take Hira home with him, but rather than saving her from life as a prisoner, he will make things even worse for her. Number 6. Harjai. Rayan is the granddaughter of Sadolo family, one of the strongest families in Midyat. Although her father Hazar and her uncle Jihan are important figures in the grand family, the real leader is her grandfather Nasu. Nasu has been mistreating Rayan. He was always more considerate of her cousin Yaran. The reason of it is that Rayan is not his biological granddaughter. Being unaware of this fact, Rayan goes riding, and when Miran's car approaches, the horse gets scared, so Firan falls down. Miran falls in love with Rayan and he would like to marry her. This news enables Yaran to take revenge on Rayan since she takes away Yaran's beloved one. Number 5. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphaned Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life's challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother, Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanjar's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. When Hanjar marries Jihan and starts living in the mansion of this family full of secrets, her life changes forever. Hanjar is shocked to learn that Jihan's ex-wife Beza also lives in the mansion. Number 4. Guljimal. Guljimal begins 30 years ago in Bursa, where the beautiful Zafar is forced to abandon Mustafa, the man she loves, to marry Saim, who she doesn't. Zafar gives birth to a son, Guljimal, who she cannot bring herself to love. Later, she has a daughter, Gulandam. Her family is like a weight on Zafar's chest, so when Mustafa reappears in Bursa, she runs off with him. When Zafar gets pregnant, Saim hangs himself. The young Guljimal takes his revenge, killing Mustafa with a bread knife. It is at this point Zafar curses Guljimal, telling him he will never be loved. Number 3. Bir Kuchuk Gun Ishigi. A self made woman, Elif owns her own wedding and events organization company and has forged her successful professional career with effort and tenacity. She is happily married to Hakan, the CEO of a major company, with whom she has yet to have any children. The same day that Elif considers starting the adoption process, she receives an unexpected call from the hospital to inform her that her husband had been in an accident. Arriving at the hospital, Elif learns that her husband has died. Elif goes from sadness to major surprise after discovering that Hakan has a daughter. Disappointed and distraught, she had hardly believed that her husband has betrayed her by hiding for years that he had another wife and daughter, Gunesh, who is unable to speak. Number 2. Uch Kis Kardesh. Once upon a time, in a beautiful yet mysterious country, there lived three sisters named Turkhan, Donush, and Darya. As a close knit family, they would dream of a promising future every night, perhaps such an upbringing that was similar to a fairy tale on the pine scented streets of Evlik had not prepared them for the grim reality of adulthood. Over time, the sisters discovered that life and the choices that are accompanied by it are not as easy as they seem. Inconceivable secrets can be hidden even by those who are trusted the most, and horrific illnesses can lead to the resurrection of the past. This leads them to the question: is there anything in the world that time cannot heal? Number 1. Sya Byas Ashk. Farhat is a cold blooded hitman with a traumatic past. He works for his criminal uncle Namik. On the other hand, Asli is a young and idealistic surgeon who wishes to serve humanity. One day their paths cross when Asli operates on a man that Farhad shoot. Due to the surgery, Asli unintentionally put herself in an odd position, which forces her to marry Farhad to save her life. Stuck in power games, two who are as or different from each other as black and white have to get along. However, Farhad has too dirty of a life to live an innocent love story. What happens when the woman who saves lives is captured by the man who takes them? A passionate love is about to be born. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.